the past. No one owes you anything, I think. You need a shotgun blast, a kick in the ass, so paranoid.